So we've added this hydroponics station to our STEM at-home learning setup. And so over here you can see where we've got our Raspberry Pi and different electronics. But we wanted to try to incorporate some biology, chemistry, and some horticulture. So what you get in this set is you get 2 of these containers that hold 9 plants each. And inside each of these containers are some growing elements that you can start with. So let me just show you the items inside. And I'm just going to keep that closed for now. Snap the lid back on. And also inside you can see where the fill line is, that little rectangle tab. Now this light opens up, goes over top of the plants, and you get a white light, which is for reading or for just looking at the plant. The next cycle is the red light for growing, and then the third button is off. And also in this light, it has a moisture sensor. So if I actually push this back down into the container, you'll see this little red light come on with an alarm. And it's letting us know that more water is needed into this kit.